Welcome! In PowerPoint, you can bring your text to life with animations, applying effects by line, word, or even individual letters. Select the text box, go to the Animation tab, and apply the desired animation. By default, all the text is animated at once. From the animation effect, select by paragraph to make the text appear one line at a time. Open the additional effect options. On the Effect tab, under Enhancements, expand Animate Text. Select by word. Change the delay time if needed. To animate text by letter, on the Additional Effect Options dialog box, select by letter.